Hi everyone, and thank you for watching Certified Supplier Initiative, Shanghai Shantou Factory Tour. I am your host, William D. Frazier. Certified Supplier Initiative was launched by China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. We evaluate toy and baby product manufacturers based on 5 criteria: product safety, safety insurance, specified standards, self-export capability, social responsibility for you, the buyer, to find the best business partner in China. Now we're inside the line of Shantou Chenghai, Early Educational Technology Company. The company was established in 2013 with over 20,000 square feet of working area. They specialize in the manufacturing of plastic magnetic toys that covers a lot of product lines. They have a lot of certifications such as EN71, ASTM F9371, and others as well. They are a very qualified company to provide the standards that meet the Certified Supplier Initiative. Now we're inside a Xinbida showroom, where we're going to show you different of the magnetic plastic toy products that they have manufactured throughout the years. But in this particular time, we want to talk about the new products that they have in the market. For instance, they have the Magic Triangular Puzzle. And this product here, you can see that you can make different types of items based on the shapes of it. You have like you can make a camel, a heart, or even looks like a car back here, so that's a very good product that they have that's new on the market. Also, they have the magnetic puzzle cubes. Coming right now, we have a display for 8 pieces as well as 12 pieces. And with this, you can design all types of ideas of what you want. You have like this particular one, you have like dinosaurs of different animal expressions, the eyes, the nose, the lips. It's a very good product for kids to be very creative in the type of toys they want to have. Now, recall that earlier, we went to the production line, and I picked up this piece right here, this yellow cube piece, this magnetic cube, and I want to show you about this particular product because it's actually their Magic Magnet Cube, and you actually take it and make different shapes with it as well. So again, this is a good product that's new on the market as well. So here, you get a chance to view all the different types of products that they have that are suitable for the domestic market as well as the international market. Now we're inside of Xinbida's quality control laboratory. As part of the Certified Supplier Initiative, they maintain some of the highest standards in the manufacturing industry, such as the CA625, HR4040, as well as ISO 9000 and EN71. Here, they have the anti-aging equipment that they use for the testing of their products. And this is the anti-aging equipment right here, various levels of temperature. They also have this rust machine here, anti-rusting machine. Now, this particular machine has a great interest, and it's the Ultrasonic welding machine that they utilize as well as maintaining the high standard that China Toy and Juvenile Product Association require for this Certified Supplier Initiative program. Also, this is a machine right here that tests the motion of the product as it's being transported, whether it's by ocean, air, or ocean freight. And this big thing here, this is a stabilizing heat anti-aging machine. So it stabilizes the heat to maintain that good quality. And finally, we have something over here that is unique in itself. This is the testing impact machine area. You know, normally you take the toy and put it up here at a certain height, and it comes down. And I think it maintains the ASTM standards. F963. We're now inside of Xinbida's Design and Development Department. This is an excellent department to be visited because they not only do they provide the most innovative products, but they also put out products on a yearly basis that exceeds international standards, not only just international, but as well as domestic. They have over 20 qualified staff members who adhere to all the type of standards that it takes to design and develop these type of products that meet those standards. As far as the previous standards we spoke of, the ASTM, the ISO 9001-2015, and as well as the BSCI certification. So again, we're inside of the Design and Development Department at Xinbida. Okay, today I'm joined here with Coco. She's the sales manager here at Xinbida, and we're going to discuss some things that I want to ask her about the company. How are you doing, Coco?
Welcome to be us.
Thank you, thank you. I just have a couple of questions. How many years have you been involved in the toy and baby product industry?
8 years, more than 8 years in this industry.
Okay, and with that, you have developed a company culture. So can you tell us more about your company's culture?
Yes, we are making magnetic toys. So that will be together. We can build a really wonderful world.
Oh, so you make magnetic baby toys that's all over the world. So with that in mind, how do you guarantee the product safety and bring quality products to your customers?
We have a good QC system. Not only the materials, also production line, product packaging line, finish production. We all have QC. Every order, before we ship out from our factory, we do sell inspection.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So you heard it here from Coco with Xinbida's magnetic children toy product manufacturing company here in Shanghai and Shantou. So I want to thank you for taking the time out to meet with us, and all the best to you and your organization.
Thank you. Welcome to us.
Thank you.